Milk is one of the most consumed foods on Earth. Every single day, billions of people depend on it for nutrition, protein, and energy. To meet this enormous demand, dairy farming has transformed from small family barns into massive, highly engineered industrial systems. For centuries, cows were milked by hand, producing just enough for nearby communities. But as populations grew and cities expanded, traditional farming could no longer keep up. The answer wasn't simply more cows, it was efficiency, scale, and science. Today, a single giant dairy farm can house thousands of cows and produce millions of liters of milk every year. This scale is necessary because milk is perishable. It must be produced daily, cooled immediately, and transported quickly, leaving no room for error. These farms are built in specific locations for a reason. They require vast land for feed crops, access to clean water, controlled climates, and efficient transport routes. Every barn, road, and pipeline is designed to support non-stop production. But milk production begins long before a cow enters a milking parlor. Not all cows are the same. Modern dairy farms rely on carefully selected genetics, primarily high-yield breeds like Holsteins. Decades of selective breeding have refined cows for milk volume, udder structure, disease resistance, and long-term health.